So today is the 20th of December. It is my birthday. It is my birthday eve, so here at EF Cafe again. Today is my 27th birthday and this is the first time I'm filming without makeup on in like, I don't know, 10 months. It is currently 9:15. I woke up at 7-ish. I like to have the morning all by myself when everyone else is still asleep, and I just like to have a very quiet morning. And so I decided to wake up and paint because I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. It's something that I really enjoy doing, and so today I want to make it a priority to do things that I love and enjoy and do things for myself. And so we're painting this morning. You know, this morning when I was putting my skincare on, I did thought like, should I put on some concealer? Should I put on some foundation? I feel like my skin has cleared so much, and I know I got 2 new spots here just like 2 days ago, but I feel like majority of my skin has cleared up and I'm really proud of it. You know, all I'm left with are acne marks, so you know, you will see a lot of redness. It's only when I'm filming then I get a little bit like conscious about them, but today will not be that day because I'm filming with bare face. And so yeah, enough of talking, let's start painting. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too easily. So I realized that I haven't told you guys what will be the plan for today. So right now it is 12:50 p.m. and we're heading out for lunch. It's gonna be my birthday lunch with my family, and usually my family and I, we will celebrate during dinner time, but today we're gonna have a Christmas party at my cousin's place. So instead of celebrating during dinner time, we're gonna do lunch instead, and I believe after lunch we're gonna come back home first and I'm gonna open my presents for going to the Christmas party. So this is my lunch look. I went for something very simple because it's only lunch, and then I guess later on when I'm back, then I'm gonna put more glitter, you know, for some Christmas party vibe. So yeah. I'm always away. 너게다가 찾아오다 그래줬네. 보다 보는 두 발 하지만 닿지 않아 눈물이 나. 허공을 맴도는 발끝엔 과거가 매번 반복되지만 I'm alright. 오늘은 어제를, 내일은 오늘을, 현재는 과거를, 미래는 현재를 그리워하는 법. 그러니 I'm more fatty to dear. 내가 놓친 그 말이 beautiful.
Wish you all your dreams come true. Mommy. The microphone.
Whatever your dream come, my dreams never come.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Maureen. Wish you all the best. May all your dreams come true.
Same one lah, same
That's
one lah.
exactly the same as just now. From then. It went on top. Happy birthday, my little sister.
Thank you, Lord. In Jesus' name.
I will get the first person, the birthday girls, they will get to actually set the timer. So you all will just pass the parcel until the timer ends. So you will hear a sound which is this one. So where are the birthday girls? Birthday girls? It is bitchy. Oh no, what? I just no music, no nothing. You all just timer, okay? Start. So this gift is hope that you can be a beacon of light and that remember that somebody remembers you.
May you always be riding above the storm and with the star.
And maybe like find a new interest.